Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. Directions and maps. Let's start. In which direction does the sun rise? East. In which direction does the sun set? West. So there are four main directions: east, west, north and south. We use these directions to find our way or guide someone to find his or her way. In our daily lives, we go to various places such as school, hospital, bank, market and post office. We ask for directions when we don't know the way. Sometimes we give directions to the driver to take us where we want to go. तो चार main directions हैं: east, west, north और south. इन्हीं directions से हम अलग अलग locations पे जाते हैं और अपनी destinations पे पहुंच जाते हैं. Landmarks. While explaining the path or the way of our neighborhood, we can make use of major landmarks. The landmark is a big structure like a post office, park, hospital, market or building, etc., with the help of which it is easy to locate a place. The best way to reach a place is to remember these landmarks. There are also guiding boards to help us. We can follow the arrows shown on these guiding boards to locate a place. अब landmarks किसे बोलते हैं? For example, आपके घर पे कोई आ रहा है तो रास्ता कैसे बताते हो? पहली बार कोई आता है कि घर के पास ये दुकान है, ये लिखा होगा, यहाँ से लेफ्ट, वहाँ दिखेगा तो ये दिख जाएगा तो वहाँ से राइट. इन्हें बोलते हैं लैंडमार्क्स. इससे घर पहुँचना या जहाँ जाना है वहाँ पहुँचना और आसान हो जाता है. Directions. To reach at any place, we also need to understand the four main directions: east, west, north and south. As you know, the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. If you stand facing the rising sun, you're facing east and your back is towards west. Your right points the south and your left hand points to the north. अब ये फिक्स्ड है कि सन आपका ईस्ट की डायरेक्शन में राइज करता है, तो अगर आपका फेस ईस्टर्न डायरेक्शन में है तो आपके लेफ्ट में क्या होगा? नॉर्थ, राइट में होगा साउथ और बैक में होगा वेस्ट. ये है हमारी चार मेन डायरेक्शंस. लेट्स टेक अ टेस्ट. List the important landmarks near your house that will enable your friend to locate your house easily. आपके घर के आसपास क्या landmarks हैं वो लिखिए ताकि आपके friend को आपके घर आने में आसानी हो जाए. Sketch. A sketch is a rough and quick drawing of anything. It is not made with exact measurements. We can make a sketch of a building, room, car, table, etc. We can make sketch of a building, room, car, table, etc. So sketch आपकी rough drawing होती है, proper measurement इसमें नहीं करा जाता, just roughly draw कर दिया जाता है. Good to know. A compass is an instrument that is used to find directions. It has a magnetized needle which swings freely and points to the north. अब compass में needle होता है जो हमेशा आपका north south direction में rest करता है, जिससे आप directions पता लगा सकते हैं. Signs and symbols. There are special signs and symbols on a map that are used to show a place or a thing. For example, to show a forest in a map, we may use or we may draw a symbol. The map key tells us what a symbol on the map stands for. Often, the key provides a little description about what the different symbols mean. The key also helps us to read the map correctly. तो symbols होते हैं, अलग अलग locations पे आप जाएंगे तो आपको symbols दिखाई देंगे. Symbol के आगे उसका मतलब भी लिखा होगा ताकि आपको वहाँ के बारे में पता चले. जैसे land, water, mountain, forest, hospital, police, fire station, forest, small town, city, river, park, road. ये सारे सिंबल्स हैं अलग अलग, जो आपको ये सिंबल्स आपने देख लिए तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ये किस बारे में बात कर रहा है. ये होते हैं साइंस एंड सिंबल्स. Maps. A map is a detailed drawing of a large area. It helps us in locating different places in that area. Since it is not possible to show actual distances between places on a map, we use a scale where the actual distance is represented by a smaller distance. For example, a distance of 200 kilometers can be shown by 2 centimeters on a map. अब आता है map. लार्जर एरियाज के लिए डिटेल ड्राइंग करी जाती है और यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर 200 किलोमीटर्स दिखाना है तो 2 सेंटीमीटर्स मार्क करके दिखा दिया जाएगा, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा मैप तो होगा नहीं कि 200 किलोमीटर ड्रॉ करेगा, तो नीचे लिख दिया जाएगा 2 सेंटीमीटर्स इज इक्वल्स टू 2 किलोमीटर्स. इससे हमें लार्जर एरियाज के डिस्क्रिप्शंस मिल जाते हैं. गुड टू नो, अ बुक ऑफ मैप इज कॉल्ड एन एटलस. एटलस एक ऐसी बुक होती है जिसमें अलग अलग लोकेशंस के मैप्स होते हैं. Let's revise. Directions help us to locate places. A landmark is a building or feature with the help of which we can locate a place easily. The 4 main directions are east, west, north and south. A rough drawing of a place is called its sketch. Symbols are signs or letters that stand for different landmarks. A map is a detailed drawing of a large area. Every map usually has a scale, a symbol, key and directions shown on it. So we have 4 major directions: east, west, north and south, and then we have maps, drawings, scale and sketches that show us different kinds of locations. Practice time. Tick the correct answer. A dash helps us to easily locate a place. Map. There are 4 main directions. The sun rises in the east, and a sketch is a rough and quick drawing of anything. Right, true or false? A sketch is a rough drawing. A sketch is a rough drawing. True. The sun rises in the north. False. A scale is a list of symbols used to represent landmarks on map. True. We can use actual pictures of landmarks on a map. False. Answer the following questions. What do you mean by a landmark? How is it useful to us? So landmarks are those places which are near to a certain place. It helps us to reach our destination more easily. And likewise, answer the rest of the questions also. Skills builder. Draw a sketch of your school on a chart paper. Mark the important places with suitable symbols. Also provide the key. Make the sketch colorful and display your work in the class. अपने स्कूल का एक sketch बनाइए, symbols वगैरह लगाइए और अपनी क्लास में display करिए. Buy a map of your city. Find the location of your locality on it and trace route to your school from your home. अपनी city का map लाइए और अलग अलग locations को trace करिए. Now match the following. Number 1 is your post office. Post office का जो symbol है उससे match कर देंगे, and likewise you will match the rest of the points also. Life skill. It is important to give clear directions to people if they inquire about any place. If the instructions are not clear, they may be lost in unnecessary search. If you do not know the directions, then tell them clearly instead of giving wrong directions. कोई रास्ता पूछता है, नहीं पता है, मना कर दीजिए. ये नहीं, गलत रास्ता बता दिया, वरना ऐसे ही भटकते रहेंगे. If you know the directions, then only help. Otherwise, just straight away say. So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.